Hi friends, you're around the block with Shirley, and you may have this in your home hanging, and they're known as spider plants because they have these really interesting looking little spiders at the ends of these long arching tips. Well, did you know that these are actually new plants? Each one of these are baby plants that come from the mother plant. That's, you like these plants and you want to make more of them, all you have to do is set this down on a table, and we're talking the passive way. And take a look at what I've done. All I did was I put the stem and I rested this little plant right on the moist soil. And within about 2 to 3 weeks, they will have their own roots and you have a new plant. Cut it off. Time to snip away and time to fly away from mama. Make your own home. That's the spider plants, friends. Perfect plant for Mother's Day.